Hey YouTube fam, been a mighty long time. Mighty long time. But guess what? Didn't wait there. Daddy wanna say hi?
Hi everybody.
Okay, just hi everybody, just try so tell them say welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome man.
Alright, okay, so today I'm just gonna be making a little tin mackerel and rice in my new kitchen space with you. That is here. So what I'm gonna be doing now, we are busy today, we got lots to do, so but that's not gonna do. I can't bother with the boil off here right now, so I'm just gonna do it the regular. But have you been missing me? Make me wash my rice and talk to no. Have you all been missing me? You see me hinting it all along, so I've been doing a lot of things, been going through a mighty lot and all of them, you know, but to God be the glory. You know, I've jumped over some hurdles, still hurdles left to go over and all of that. But how have you been doing? How have you been doing? See me so tired, see me all, I wish you know happy 4th of July for a month before. How you all been doing? How is everything with you? I think we have videos, Dad, from even before Easter that we had footage of that we didn't even get to post because we got so busy over a short period of time. But you know what's happened? With pricing the vessel, we can't always smile at the storm. So I'm washing a little rice here now. A little just a regular white rice. So me and Dad here about to go on the road to do a little. It's in the afternoon though, it's in the PM. And don't mind the kitchen curtains. This kitchen window is a little bit more than the curtains that I have. So I've got to get me. I'm going to do my own kitchen curtain. I'm going to do my own kitchen curtain for the window. And when I do it, you'll see the ability that I have. So I don't get to that yet. I'm going to go get some fabric because it's pretty wide and all of that. And so I just put up a little makeshift. Because you know, some people say, Mr. I kind of kitchen curtain that. But you know I'm not about that right now. So I'm gonna get me some fabric maybe sometime this week near to the weekend, and I'm gonna show you that I can do my kitchen curtains because it's really bigger than what I have. So little what I saw name where they would look up tin mackerel, look up fast movements and rice right in here. We haven't even gotten everything as we're supposed to get, and that I follow with the camera all over because we be running late. I'm not hold it up. We be running late. We're going on the road and traffic now in the afternoon kind of go fill up right about now. So me I make it one something there. I'm gonna be doing it like promise style. Yeah. I go get me my onions. I don't even have scallions ready as yet. We are still in the process of relocating properly. So you know how that goes, right? God, it makes you tired, and when you got a lot of stuff to do, you know, it takes a mighty long time. So yeah, cut up them little something over here. My rice is there. Yeah. And all of that. But what you been doing? Did you all miss all our little vlogs with me and Dad at morning time making breakfast? We're coming back to that, man. Things just got a little extra busy with the man, and we had to move to the occasion, you know? Yeah, we had to move to the occasion. Couldn't make certain things pass with, so we gotta move to it. So we are here giving God thanks. Been a lot, it's a whole lot. I'm so tired. I don't know when I'll ever stop tired. Takes a lot out of you too. But you know what happened? It is what it is. And then came a girl at a birthday and she wanted to celebrate, and I didn't want to disappoint her and all of that. But it is what it is. And we're happy to be back with you. We're happy for them. So we don't daddy happy for them?
Yeah man.
Yeah, we're happy to be back. Tell them say happy to be back with them, no man.
Happy to be back.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get my onions and my little garlic. That's what I have. A little vinegar and a little black pepper. I know we cooked in mackerel and rice already. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Family, I hope you're seeing my range with the bulb. Look like it just went out. It just blew. But I'll just try. I'm not sure. I think it yeah, I think so. But that's okay. I might put in my local butter and something now. In here, I'm doing it so fast. In here I have me a little oil. Some onions and garlic and some vinegar, and so we're going to do it. I can't even find the cover for this cup, but I don't know when I move from one space to the other, so it's going to take time with us. But that's a show that like a real thing, yeah? So, see my mackerel here that I go on with something. See my tin mackerel here. This is a little fast thing, just catching up with you. Welcoming you back. This little video is just welcoming you back while I cook. Welcoming back ourselves. That's how I call tin mackerel and little rice to catch up this stomach before we go on the road. I don't know why that just blew. Really? I want to go and feed that.
I'm not sure, you know.
Yeah, check out it. I'll check it out. Because I have one in the other one. So I probably can just
Yeah,
do that. Yeah. I can just. I tell you sometimes this is fun. Everything just try to go. Everything just try. You ever in a situation where everything try to go bad all at once? Have you ever been in a situation where everything starts going bad? Now my washer, seeing that I have relocated, my washer is acting up. I don't know, but you don't know what. It is what it is. We now watch that because we climb bigger mountain than that already. Not true. Yeah, we are in a better little space for now. We can have water, and sometimes I might not be so hot. And all of them sitting there. So I go, you know. You look for something over there to cook up, and we can't find a cover for you. So family, telling this is just like a little welcome back video. Me a welcome back, and I'm making know say, yo, Debbie still there. Been going through, been doing a lot, but guess what? Debbie still there. So next clip. So guys, I have black pepper, another little pan pepper, now I'm something that I need to now. Ain't got more. But there's something in there, I'm supposed to run it in this place of business. So I'm gonna be like just doing what I have. Work with what I have, you know. When I survive, you know, but I trust yourself too much. You know? Sometimes you have to survive and you have to go through certain things, you know, but I pay the little scratch sitting them in the mind. So when you have so much big wheel, fill up both for cook and bake and roast, you know, but I turn your attention to the little sprat them pop up. You know them way there? Yeah. Lots of things to be done, so you know, peeling all of them so bad way to with this time. Only one in this. Some people say them not eat that, but me eat it. I want everybody to their own order. I'm not bash nobody will eat it. So I'm not expect anybody that does not eat it to bash me. Yeah, Dad. I know you're not eating this, but remember, son, you alone not eat it. I'm putting a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'll be general lenient with it because I know the cayenne pepper is rough. And I'm putting also a little black pepper. I have some vinegar in there already from me. I mean, no, so the range would like we go out just now, affect the quality of the lighting. But family, that's how it go. Yeah. I eat that. Sometimes some of them want a little salty, but I don't think I'm going to do that just now. Put a little more black pepper. Yeah. We have battle pepper here, so when I eat my meat, put a little battle pepper on it too. Yeah. Just I make a little thing because we gotta be on the road right now. We should have gone already. Yeah, but we are trying to catch up yourself first. Catch up the stomach. And all of that. Yeah, still not looking bad. Show them up on that. No, Dad, not look bad.
No.
Yeah, man. Wow, not looking bad at all. So we have to make that simmer. Rice there. So wow, let's turn our flame down for the rice. I was so. Oh, you add so. Yeah, rice has simmer. So look here. We'll catch you in the next clip. Remember, so we now go back and Tangalang, you know. This is just a little welcome back video. When we had dish out the food, we'll come back. Love you. So family, look like. Yeah, man, look rice done around our bush mouth. Yeah. Easy, look how easy. Fast going. When you gotta be on the move, like a tin mackerel and rice. Yeah, you can't let go that. Now, cute life get up with you and things are going and things up. You can't forget this little tin rice. But that's something I name tin mackerel and rice. Alright, Dad. Me I go and box out little for you, because I know, say, maybe by the time we come back at night and then something there. I eat nothing, you know, so I don't even eat the rice, you know, so. But I provide it, it works when you know wash off, you know, not that I not eat it, but I just tell myself, so I'm not in plain rice. And then sitting there. So me do a little for Dad. Dad will go and eat with them little something. And all of that. We find 2 little workless plate, but guess what? We are all time right now, we no struggling. We no watch nothing. We not take no other plain rice here, you know. Come back, I could just make a smoothie or something in my bed or get a cup of tea and 2 crackers. Alright, now these days I want to sleep more than I want to eat. Tired, you know, family. Yeah man, I eat this, you know. Yeah. Same little spoon. Same patient, but different treatment. So Dad, what you do? You want for your watchman pan the rice? Because this is not prim and proper, you know. Yep, Papa.
Good for me.
You're good?
Yeah.
Since when you have one, so. Let's see. So look here. I want to go on here, so. Wow. So this a beef for Dad, fam. Yeah. Put it right here, so. And all of them sitting here. You alright, you come drop down and sitting. I'm telling you, without this skin, I look sitting, look at tin mackerel, I go on around a bush mouth here. Yeah, just I put this on it, cause yeah, I just right there. Watchman pan for my own. So sit here. Let me show you. And this we are going to use ketchup we self before we go there. And as usual, all over the man, them one always look prim and proper. We don't have respect we. Yeah, I eat this, you know. Tin mackerel and rice. Yeah, a little ketchup before we go on the road. Thanks for watching. Welcome back once more. And look here, videos are coming galore. Thank you so much. Daddy, you want to say bye?
Bye, everybody.
Yeah, tin mackerel and rice. Catch you.